Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a comparison of the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 cameras. On the left, we have the standard ZV-E10 priced at $699, and on the right, the premium ZV-E10 at $799. Let's see if the extra cost really brings any additional value. Let's start with the price. The standard ZV-E10 is the more budget-friendly option at $699, while the premium ZV-E10 comes in at $799. Reviewers appreciate the standard for its affordability and excellent features, saying it's great for those who want a solid vlogging camera without breaking the bank. The premium, however, is praised for its enhanced features and overall build quality, making it a worthwhile investment for serious vloggers. If you're looking to save some cash, the standard is the way to go. Next, let's discuss the sensor. Both models feature a 24.2 megapixels APS-C XMOR-CMOS sensor and the BIONZX processor. Reviewers rave about the impressive autofocus performance on both cameras, with many stating that both deliver outstanding image quality. The standard is noted for being compact and versatile, while the premium is recognized for its enhanced processing speed, giving it a slight edge for professional use. Either way, you're in for some amazing visuals. Now, let's look at video capabilities. Both the standard and premium ZV-E10 can shoot 4K movies oversampled from 6K, which has received high praise from users. Reviewers say both cameras provide sharp, high-quality video, perfect for content creators. The standard is lauded for its easy usability, while the premium is viewed as more suitable for those wanting extra features like HDR video. Regardless of which you choose, your videos will look stunning. Moving on to the product showcase setting, both cameras can effortlessly shift focus from your face to your product, which is a hit among reviewers. Users mention that both models excel in showcasing products effectively, making them ideal for unboxings and reviews. The standard is appreciated for its simplicity, while the premium is noted for its advanced focus tracking capabilities. Either way, both cameras will help you shine the spotlight on your latest finds. Next, let's talk about the background defocus button. This feature is available on both models, allowing you to instantly blur the background. Reviewers love this feature, calling it a game changer for vlogs and live streams. The standard is highlighted for its ease of use, while the premium is praised for its precision in achieving the desired look. Both are fantastic for those wanting to enhance their video quality. Lastly, let's discuss live streaming. Both ZV-E10 models make it simple to go live with just a USB cable. Reviewers appreciate this straightforward setup, noting that both cameras perform exceptionally well during live streams. The standard is recognized for its affordability in live streaming, while the premium is highlighted for its superior image quality during extended sessions. Both options are perfect for engaging with your audience. Overall, both the standard and premium Sony Alpha ZV-E10 cameras have garnered positive reviews from users. The standard is celebrated for its affordability and reliable performance, making it a fantastic choice for beginners. The premium, on the other hand, is recognized for its enhanced features and quality, appealing to more serious content creators. Ultimately, both cameras deliver impressive results and cater to different needs. Which ZV-E10 should you choose? If you're looking to save some cash while still getting an amazing camera, the standard ZV-E10 is your best bet. But if you're feeling fancy and want the extra features, go for the premium. Remember, it's not just about the camera, it's about the content. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Don't forget to check the description for product links.